Kia ora, my name is Thomas. I'm from Kurī. I work under Kauri Ora, which focuses around Kurī health, Kurī prevention of Kurī dieback, and just overall protection of our Kurī forest. Insects. I found a centipede one day and I just loved centipedes. After that, for some reason it just made my brain fizz on it, and then we had a bio-blitz here in Te Paki with the Auckland Museum, and since then I just found my love for trees, for insects, for conservation, just for the environment, and everything that's involved. Well, the impact of Mātauranga Māori on me has been a hell of a spiritual awakening kind of thing. Like, I found my spiritual place in this work. I feel the energy when I walk through the forest. Big trees, I feel like they call to me, and this whole line of work is just flows with my soul, and I just love it. It's all for me. And I feel like it's awakened something within me through my ancestors and through my bloodline. I feel like this is my calling. Basically, mainly just the terrain is the only challenge. All the rest is like I take it and I run into it head first. There's challenges, but it's fun. You know, nothing really is too much of a challenge, to be honest. Would like my kids to be able to walk through and see what I see, or even better than what I see, and not a worse state than what it already is. I want to see it. I want it to be in a better state and it to ascend. Well, Jobs for Nature has impacted us in heaps of ways. For starters, it's given a lot of the whānau a job, for starters. Like, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, and now I know exactly what I want to do all through this. And it's opened up a lot of opportunities. Also, I like how we're going for this big conservation thing and the big goals we have for protecting the whenua. It's amazing.